Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a very early and premature, some may say, because it is literally 100 degrees outside today, but I have a try on haul for the fall season, y'all. I'm ready. Every store, but specifically H&M, has been coming out with the cutest stuff, and I also found really good shackets and things like that from Amazon. I'm gonna try to put actual outfits together, so if you want like some inspo, but I've been getting so much inspo from this person on TikTok, so definitely check her out if you haven't already. But yeah, everything will be linked down below, and let's get into it. Starting off with my favorite is this really light creamy ivory with a little bit of tan and gray plaid, and it's perfectly oversized. I think this is gonna go so well with so many of my outfits. I love the color story, I love the soft material, and I really love that the inside is not itchy. It's not like smooth, but it's not itchy, which is super important to me. I love this. I think this is such a good find, and it's like 20 bucks on Amazon. This one is giving me more nighttime vibes, but I still love it. I love that it has, you know, the black with the white detailing, but also some of that brown, so I could totally wear this with brown bags and brown boots, but also black accessories as well. I think this is so pretty. This one is a tad bit longer. I will leave the size next to every single link, that way you know exactly what size and colors I got. But I really like this one. I love the oversized fit, and my favorite way to wear these, because I live in Texas, is with a bodysuit, either long sleeve or short sleeve depending on the time and the weather, and then a mini skirt that I'll show y'all over the knee boots, and then these shackets completely open. It's my go-to outfit. It looks so good. And then because it's still so hot, I wanted to get more lightweight jacket options just to throw on the exact same outfit combination. So this is a very nice blazer. Once again, I love the tones. It has a little bit of gray, dark tones, and then that really fun, it's almost like an orangey, and it just looks really cool. It's like more of a boyfriend fit, and it's a very nice material, not too thick, but it's not thin or cheap by any means. I really like the length of this one as well. I think this is a really good find, and something like I could potentially wear year round depending on how I style it. Like I could definitely wear this with jeans, or like I said, with a skirt and a bodysuit. I think this is very versatile, and the price point is great. And then I got this denim shacket, which is definitely new to me, and I got it in this really fun brown, like caramel color that I thought would be perfect for the fall. This is a little bit more like boyfriend style, a little bit more masculine for me at least, so I totally see myself dressing this down with maybe leggings and sneakers, something more casual, and just throwing this on top. I think it would look fun. But let me know if you guys have any ideas on how else I could style this, because I would love any and all suggestions. But I thought this was nice, and I love the fact that it's kind of like a lightweight denim material, so I could wear it potentially very soon. So the reason why I mentioned that TikTok girl in the beginning is because I saw her doing kind of like fall inspo outfits, and she was wearing two very similar skirts, so I ran to get these. This one is by far my favorite, and sadly it already looks like most sizes are selling out. It is the thickest, most beautiful material. I might even wear this either Christmas Day, like for dinner, or Thanksgiving, because I think this is so pretty. And then I got a turtleneck that I'll show you guys to wear with it, but so pretty with over the knee boots. It's like a very nice knit. It just looks so much more expensive than it is. So the waistband actually is elastic, so I purchased two sizes just to make sure. They do free returns, the refunds don't take that long, and also everything sells out. So I got a 4 and a 6, and I ended up keeping the 4 and returning the 6, and it fits perfectly. This one on the other hand, I just got in a size 6. It's a tiny, I wouldn't say it's big, it's just a little bit loose, like right here, but that's totally fine. I decided to keep the 6. I had no other option, and it's just like a very nice like faux leather, but I'm obsessed. I used to wear these all the time during this time of year with the uniform like I told y'all, and I think this is just like such a good one. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's a perfect length on me. I'm 4'11", so I'm obsessed. They have so many more, so if you're looking for good skirts, H&M. And then I got some more comfy, cozy, like things to throw on when it's cold and I don't want to mess with an outfit. So the first one looks like this. It's kind of like this teddy bear, I think that's what they're calling it, style quarter zip, and then it has pockets. And I love the fact that the pockets have this super soft lining, because there's nothing better than when you're cold, you put your hands in your pockets and they're like nice and warm. Obsessed. Anyway, the inside is not super soft, but it feels nice and cozy, which is all that matters. And usually when you wear things like this, you don't wear them just with a bra, so you layer them and they're not too bad, hopefully. So I got a size extra small. Like I said, it's still a little too big on me. It's meant to be oversized, so I suggest sizing down anyway. But I love it. I love this color, and they just came out with a brand new color that you'll have to look at because I am this close to getting it. Did I buy it already? I actually don't know. Maybe I did. I don't know. This one is giving me hardcore Free People vibes, but for like a third of the price. This one looks like so. It's more of like a Sherpa material, and then this one zips all the way, has a pocket right here, and then also has a hood. I was not expecting the hood when I saw it online, but I actually really like it. It's pretty oversized and it has a bunch of like fun details. It also comes in a really pretty green. I haven't decided if I want to keep both because I personally don't think I need both, so I would love some insight. Like, which one do y'all think I should keep? Because I'm leaning more towards the other one, but I have so many quarter zips and I don't have jackets that zip all the way down. I think that might be more convenient, so let me know which one I should keep. Okay, so this is the turtleneck that inspired this haul, because I saw that girl on TikTok post an outfit kind of like styling it a bunch of different ways, and it was so cute, so I decided to get it. Exact same one that she has. Of course it fits me completely different when I recreate her outfits, but you know, whatever. I got a size extra small. It is not cropped, but I also don't think it's an oversized sweater by any means. It is a very nice and soft knit, and it's a little woolly. I don't know if y'all can see, like, I don't know. And it's ribbed. Beautiful color. It comes in so many good basics, and I'm just obsessed. I think this is like such a good staple to have in your closet. For less than 20 bucks, you really can't beat it, and I'm excited to see how many different ways I can really style it. I used to be super self-conscious of my lack of having a neck because I'm super short. I don't know if short people have long necks, but I don't. Anyway, not the point. So I would never wear turtlenecks, but I actually really love them. I think they look so good and so classic, so I'm excited to finally not be self-conscious and style this turtleneck a bunch of different ways. So definitely stay tuned over on my Instagram for more, but I'll try to show more outfits in my vlogs. I got this puffer jacket. You might be thinking, Philo, why? Everything sells out. So if I didn't buy it, I'm sure by the time I need a puffer jacket, it won't be there. So I got this for like 30 bucks. And it comes in black, but I didn't really want the black one, in a brown color that I'm dying to get, but I don't need to, so I ended up going for this one. And the way I see myself wearing this is definitely like during those very chilly mornings when I go to F45 or go work out with my workout sets. I think this is gonna be great with leggings just to dress it down. I love the fact that it's more of a crop fit, so I think it's way more flattering than those like very bulky puffers. It's still bulky, don't get me wrong, but I sized down to an XS and it's still a little big, so I highly recommend sizing down with H&M. I think the majority of their things run big. Okay, so this was one of the outfits I was really excited to recreate, and I got these overalls from Amazon. They're super stretchy, but y'all, this makes me look so wide. Like, I don't know if it's the sweater or what, but this outfit does not look good on me, and it looks so cute on her. I'll definitely be wearing these overalls with other stuff, tighter stuff, because I feel like the issue with the turtleneck is that it's so bulky, like inside the overalls. But it's cute. It comes in different shades of denim. It's like a very stretchy fabric, so those are cute. It's just this outfit is not. So guys, that's everything for today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been shopping quite a bit, and I feel like this year, I don't know, I guess this is like a rant maybe, I don't know, it's a little ironic that I would do this rant after doing a haul, but I'll go ahead and do it. I feel like this year there's been so much pressure to overconsume when it comes to fall content. Like everything's like hauls, and all the stores put out their fall items in August, and everyone has been, you know, doing fall outfits and things like that, myself included, like I said. But I had to like take a step back because I was like, why am I buying like 20 million shackets when I live in Houston? So I went through all my winter stuff. I took it out of storage. I was like, okay, I don't need another brown plaid whatever jacket. I have one right here. I don't need another turtleneck, blah blah. So I had to kind of like reel myself back and be like, okay, relax. Like, just because everyone else is buying a million things, you don't need to do the same. And obviously a lot of these things my closet was needing, I guess, but that's just a disclaimer that I wanted to put out. Like, don't feel the need to just buy a ton of things just because TikTok and social media puts that pressure constantly, but more than ever now for the fall season. I don't know why. I guess it's almost everyone's favorite holiday or favorite time of year. But yeah, I just wanted to do that little disclaimer because I had to do it to myself. It was like a talk that I needed to have. So hopefully some of these items are helpful to find, but besides that, just know you probably don't need half of this stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.